Here we are again, needing to install something in Procreate. So this is my general color swatch palette that I use, and it'll be helpful for you to be able to have access to the exact colors in the same format as I'm using in the demonstrations. It's very much the same process that we used when we installed the brush set, but in case you don't feel confident to do it again, here we go step by step. So I'm going to tap on here, and because I've got the Dropbox app on my iPad, we go straight through to the Dropbox app. And again, no preview available, can't view the file type, but we just tap in the top right-hand corner on these three little dots, and we choose Export, and then we choose Open In, and then we say Copy to Procreate. Off it goes. And then, of course, if you don't have the Dropbox app, so here if I tap and hold on it and then release, it gives me this these options. I can open in a new tab and then go to that tab, and you can see we've got Dropbox on the web. We've got the option at the bottom there, get the app or continue to the website. Well, we don't want to get the app because I guess if you wanted the app, you'd already have it. So we tap on continue to the website. And again, we get this can't be viewed, which is always a bit disconcerting. But we have our trusty three dots in the top right-hand corner. So we tap on those. We say direct download. Thank you very much. And then we tap on open in Procreate. And we're off to the races. Let's go and have a look in here. Now, how do we get to colors? This blue dot in the top right-hand corner, if we tap on that, here we go with our palettes. So you can see here at the bottom, I've got these two palettes which are identical, Skin Chinos General. And at the top here, I've got set as my default Skin Chinos General. So we know that we managed to import those happily. And now I can actually just swipe left and delete the extra ones, get rid of them. Swipe left and delete, and here we are. So that's how you get the color palette into your Procreate app.